Momentum continues to build amazing experiences in 2025. We thank our community business partners who bridge our students' learning to the real world. It truly helps students cast vision into what they might become professionally, both during and after their Minnetonka High School experience. The Youngsteads Automotive team of Jenny Mariachi and Brian Try have worked for years with the Momentum instructors as project partners and helped create the Momentum program's professionalism curriculum and have offered jobs to multiple Tonka students in the automotive roles at Youngsteads. Thank you, Jenny and Brian, for helping us create pathways into the automotive industry.
Thinking about myself in high school, I didn't have these opportunities, and it's so encouraging to see Minnetonka High School doing it at the high school level, right? Getting it out there. Being involved with the students, getting their feedback in what their generation is looking for in their future career paths is important to us.
Craig Lommel, first officer with Delta Airlines, offered our first ever discovery flight to our Momentum Aviation program back in 2023 and hasn't looked back since. He's offered our instructional team insight and advice on how to build our aviation program, serves on our professional advisory board, is a panel participant from multiple Momentum events, and now volunteers his time as a certified flight instructor with our advanced aviation students.
Seeing the enthusiasm, and it really kind of brings you back and reconnects me back to the passion that I had for aviation, and it just reignites that, seeing the love and the interest and the excitement with the students that are here at Minnetonka.
Scott Patz, a pilot with United Airlines, has also assisted our program with professional insight, spoke with numerous community panels, and has volunteered his time as a certified flight instructor, even helping us with curriculum development for our advanced aviation students.
I love working with these students. I love seeing their enthusiasm to learning how to fly. I love my job, and I fly with some great crew members. I fly some awesome equipment. I fly all over the world, and I see some amazing sights. So being able to take that enthusiasm and pass it on to the students and watch as they start to develop that interest in aviation is really exciting.
Thanks again to all of the industry professionals who help our Momentum students fly above and beyond.